Hey, Clark Roof and Ink out here at the city of West Sacramento, the Port of West Sacramento. We're doing a PVC system. I want to give a shout out to the GAF crew. They've been really good getting all our material. We had a little problem out here, some unforeseen. It wasn't disclosed that this roof was a swimming pool, and they went ahead and got us a change order for one side of the roof, and we got to deal with the swimming pool on the other side of the roof. So that's some stuff afterwards. We did almost 100 squares of plywood, 1/2-inch CDX board, along with the rafters, changing out the hangers. It's just been a big mess. As you can kind of see, we're almost done laying it up. It's been a lot of hard work out here from the guys getting everything in order. It's gonna be a big job to shut down. A lot of extra material left over, unfortunately. Kind of falls back on me. Use it on the next one. Roll with the punches. Otherwise, check out the channel, like and subscribe. Check out something.
Mat on the edge. Where's Drew?
We're over here replacing rafters and shit because Julius keeps breaking them. And then we gotta get new plywood, clean up the edge. That's about it right now.
About to finish up the dry rot, but when we expose this one, cracked rafter, probably cracked rafters all the way. We're just gonna do the city of West Sacramento a favor, tear this thing off all the way, one plywood past the drain, go ahead and fix these rafters up and get it back to straight.
Patience early, my guy.
We got the insulation going, built it up, trying to get rid of all the low spots going. Just killing it. Fucking almost done. A few more days, we're out of here. But yeah, we're just laying our plates, getting ready for the rolls. Then it's just kick and weld. We're fucking done. Screwing this roof on, make sure it don't blow away. You know, at least part of it don't blow away. Big ass screws killing my battery. back out here covering up our insulation with a 60 mil gaff. Try to make this watertight before the weekend. Shouldn't be a problem. These guys kind of know what they're doing.
Pero, ¿sí ves?